cash equitization describes a situation where a cash balance is held. Now, obviously, if we're holding too much in cash, we're really not getting a good return on it, right? And the aim is to replicate the return on an index. So we're going to have S equals our cash amount. Our beta of our asset is 0. You might be scratching your head. Where'd that come from? Well, cash has no risk. So our beta is 0. Like I say, equals 0, our cash beta, okay? We want to increase exposure. We have a positive view. We want to get the money in play. So our target is going to be 1. And usually the beta of our futures contract is 1, right? So we're looking at, say, I'm just going to use S&P. We're going to talk about Nikkei in just a second. But remember, from all of your studies, the market generally has a beta of 1, which makes this calculation really easy. So I'm going to put a check mark by that. So we have, for example, Fujiwara's built up a lot of money, a lot of cash. She's got 140 million yen, and she wants to equitize this. There's a Nikkei futures multiplier of 1,000, beta of 1, and they're priced at 23,000. So see, I circled what I know is going to be important. Now, if I'm on the exam, I might take my little highlighter feature and just highlight in the item set, or in the vignette rather, for that matter. All right, here is our solution. Really straightforward stuff. Now, what's great over here is if you're looking at the portfolio current asset, or our current beta is 0, right? And then our target beta is 1. And then the beta of our futures contract is 1. So it really just wipes itself out. So calculation is really straightforward. You just simply take the portfolio amount of 140, 23,000 times the multiplier, and then you're going to get 6. And that's really it. That's as hard as this particular example gets. And once again, we rounded it off because you can't buy 6.x amount of futures contracts. Common mistake here, or one mistake, would be not doing the multiplier. So you want to be keenly aware of that, whether you're given the entire number here or you're given the 2 pieces and you have to make that calculation.